Have you ever looked at a banana plant and wondered what happens to all the thick green stems left behind after harvesting? Most people see them as agricultural waste and simply move on. But inside a modern processing operation, these enormous plant stems can become valuable raw material. Today, we are going to follow their journey from the field, through heavy machinery and industrial handling, and into the next stage of processing. Our journey begins directly inside a large banana-growing field. After the banana bunch has been harvested, the plant stem is no longer needed for producing that particular bunch. Workers and agricultural equipment begin clearing the field, cutting the thick pseudostems down and preparing them for collection. These stems are surprisingly large. They contain layers of plant tissue and a considerable amount of moisture, which makes them heavy, even when they look relatively light from a distance. Instead of leaving everything scattered across the field, the material can be gathered into organized piles, so it can be moved efficiently. And this is where the scale of the operation becomes obvious. What looks like a simple pile of plant stems can actually represent a huge amount of agricultural material. Specialized loaders can move several pieces at once, reducing the amount of manual handling required. A loader approaches the pile, lowers its attachment, and carefully grips a group of stems. The machine then lifts the material and places it onto a collection area or transport vehicle. The process is repeated again and again, turning a messy field into an organized loading operation. Once enough material has been collected, transportation becomes the next challenge. Banana stems contain a lot of moisture, so moving large quantities efficiently requires proper planning. Vehicles transport the harvested material from the agricultural area toward the facility where further processing can take place. As the load reaches the processing facility, the first priority is receiving and organizing the raw material. The stems are unloaded into a designated area where workers and equipment can inspect and prepare them for the next stage. So drying can become an important part of processing when the final material needs to be much drier. So the next time you see a banana plantation, remember that the banana fruit is only one part of the agricultural story. After harvesting, the plant material that remains can still have value when it is collected and processed properly. From a massive green stem in the field, to a loader, to transportation, to industrial machinery, and finally to a prepared plant-based material. That is the fascinating journey hidden behind banana stem processing.